say, people? Jeez, it's been a while since we done one of these walk and talks. I need like a theme song for that, like, trust me. But yeah, anyway, just a quick hello, good morning. God bless you to everyone. You know, World Book Week this week, so it's very jam-packed. Like, got lots happening today. Today's also a write-off. Like, got meetings and then like workshops. It's mad. But anyway, this evening we're gonna I don't know, maybe not this, I don't know, but at some point, like between today and tomorrow, we're gonna work on maybe doing a couple extra garage things for my boys. So see you in a bit. What's good, people? Yeah, been a couple days now since I've done any music stuff, so maybe work on a garage thing. I don't know. Let's see how we go on. First things first. Let's use that one. What key though? What key? Something different. Flipping neighbors downstairs, bro, playing stupid loud music again. If you can hear anything in the background, yeah, I'm sorry, innit? Neighbors on some stupidness again, fam.
Donut, you're so stupid.
Yeah, that's a little something. Can't lie to you. Okay, ready for the rhythm and the rhymes. All the time. Rhythm and the rhymes. All the time. Are you ready for the rhythm and the rhymes? Well, this sneeze actually. Let's do something. This sneeze lower notes. Where's my snare? Right, and I need to like, I know what I want. Right, so if I reverse this, yeah. Let's get the hat going as well. I'm like bouncing around this time. Like usually I kind of know kind of how I want to do it, like, but kind of more bouncing around today. Alright, make sure you save your work, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing worse than losing a thing, bro. Yeah, something different. Let's add the trusted 3 times oscillator for the bass line. We got bass. I ain't got the time to rhyme. Got the time to shine. And chatting bare rubbish, bruv. Okay, then I'm gonna have one more piano-y sound. Yeah, that's a vibe still. So we just need like a little extra sounds. Let me just come get a few extra sounds real quick. Split by channel. Let's add all of this. Let's just kind of think this out. We can add that as we go along still. So we're gonna put that there, put that there. Maybe this here, start like this, and then like this. Yeah, I think like this is a nice little structure still. Are you ready for the rhymes? Ready for the rhymes? Wanna test me, better get in line. I ain't got no time to fight. I only got time to shine. Ready for the rhymes. Oh my. Right, okay. I think it'll be good to kind of start with a bass line. And then, yeah, we'll do the Okay, cool. So, all right, let's finish this off like. But we need like another, like a pad or something. Or maybe even we'll take this list melody and we need like one more. It needs to be like a sign. And then what we want to do is you want to take this and put this here. That's more or less like, yeah, like structure is like we're there, and then like after that it'll kind of go back to the beginning. I think that's it. Things done. Like it's just so simple, but you know it does the job in it. So I'm just gonna get it mixed down. Probably send this to my cousin, let him do what he wants to do with it. So yeah, just remember life is short. So do whatever you can, whenever you can, however you can, and I'll catch you on the next one. Save.